Yesterday I milled up some 2x3s. Still wet too, so it's gonna shrink. But my project I'm on the go with right now is I'm building my bird cage, I'm gonna call it, for my turkeys. I'm gonna be going away here soon, and I needed them in a safe spot to keep the coyotes away. And the one they're in now at night is way too small, and I can't keep them roaming around my backyard. My wife's gonna divorce me if I do. Have the 7'6" wall up so far. I'm just building the back wall. Had to mill up a couple more boards, and then I'll put up this front wall. Have the back wall up now. It's not anchored down yet, not until I make sure it's all square. I put the front wall up now. Realize
it's freaking huge.
I'm planning on building a greenhouse too, so I might make the exact same copy, except for the window openings I'll have to put in it. And this is 16 by 10. One wall is 5'6", and the other wall is 7.7'6". Have the side wall on now with the door opening. I cut all 11 trusses. I sat most of them on and braced a few of them there and there. I still gotta cut braces for the center. So I have 2 rafters left for the inside to do, and the other 2 are on the outside. I just gotta figure out how long or wide the tin roof's gonna be, so I might as well make the roof fit to the tin. So I finished the rafters and the overhang and the fascia down the side. I also braced at the end all the way down the center and at the top. Started edging 1-inch boards that I had for the roof and cutting them to size and length. Just have them sitting up there for now, and then I'll nail it down when I'm done. So I finished cutting all the boards for the roof. And I cut the fascia. So I have the roof all nailed now. So I'm doing board and batten on my turkey coop. This is what I have done so far. I ran out of wood. Haven't done the batten yet. So I still got to do the front side and the back side towards the backyard. Put a couple windows in.